Quick video. I'm gonna talk about this right here. Check this out, guys. INGEAR. It's INGEAR autoXscape1. What is this? This is a rescue tool for drivers. I recommend it. Check it out. It almost looks like a giant Crayola. But what is this? You have a flashlight, button on the side. You have window breaker. The tip is a window breaker. Now you have two window breakers on this one. You got the cap, and you pop this out. You have another window breaker. I think it's carbide tipped, and you have a seatbelt cutter. So check this out. I have paracord with me. Paracord. What is paracord? Parachute cord. Let's pretend that this is a seatbelt. Let's see how well it cuts. I'm gonna put this right here. All right, and pull. There you go. Cuts paracord very nice. Let's do that again. Right there. Pull. Nice. Okay. This tool was mailed to me by INGEAR, the INGEAR folks. It's a great tool. I recommend it for all drivers. It's nice to keep in your oh, I kept the flashlight on. Give me a second here. It's nice to keep in your glove compartment, or you can attach it. It comes with a little bracket. You can attach it the side of your car somewhere. This has, let me put on my glasses to read this. It's a keeper, I'm telling you. So it's nice. I think it costs like $59 on Amazon. The cap is friction fit. Has like a little O-ring on it. Nice frosted looking O-ring. Okay, this has 135 lumens on mode 1 on the brightest, and mode 2 is 50 lumens. Mode 1 is 4 hours and 15 minutes. Mode 2 with the 50 lumens, 20 hours. It looks like it's rainproof. It has a little icon for rain or waterproof. Like I said, this is a great tool. The little thing that bothered me about it is it has a warning on it. Proposition or Prop 65 warning. What is a Prop 65 warning? Let me read this. It says this product, its packaging, and its components contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or reproductive harm. This notice is being provided in accordance with California's Proposition 65. If you have any questions or would like additional information, please refer to our website at www.ingearlights.com. I felt very uncomfortable about that. I do not like when that Prop 65 warning is on items. This item, I actually thought that I was going to be sent 2 of them, but I was only sent 1. I wanted to do a giveaway on this. It's actually a keeper. I think that the only way I would give this away is if I get 60, not 60, I'm thinking about the 65 number. If I get 1,000 subscribers. I know that's gonna be, that's a big number, but I really like the tool. I want to keep it. I'm gonna keep it in my car. Awesome tool. I recommend it. You guys can order it on Amazon, but like I said, I thought I was gonna get 2 of them, but I didn't. They only sent me 1, so I can do a review. Awesome tool. I I recommend it to all drivers. God forbid if you get into an accident, you can take the tip of the tool, just shatter the window. You can just break the window and cut your seat belt and use the light, you know, flashlight. Great tool. Question to you guys is, would you buy a tool that has the Prop 65 warning on it? So you can get more information online on Amazon. Let me know if you would enter for the giveaway for an item that has the Prop 65 warning. Please comment. Give me a comment. Consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Remember guys, stay awesome. Be safe. Take it easy. Later.